Let's uncover the wild and kind of creepy way a mosquito really bites you.
You feel that tiny sting, right? But what's actually happening is way more complex.
So, the mission starts. It lands and needs a nice, dry spot to get to work. In its first move, believe it or not, it spits on you to prep the area.
Now get this, it doesn't use just one needle.
It uses 6.
Yeah, it's a whole surgical toolkit. 6 tiny needles hidden inside a single sheath.
The first 2 are like tiny saws, literally cutting an opening into your skin. Then, the next pair acts like clamps, holding that new opening apart.
Okay, with the skin open, now comes the hard part, actually finding a blood vessel.
That 5th needle is a super sensitive probe, just feeling around under your skin. And boom, target acquired. That same needle is now ready to start drinking. But it's not just drinking. 2 things are happening at the exact same time. While needle 5 sucks your blood, needle 6 is busy injecting saliva into you. And that saliva is the real trick. It works just like a local anesthetic. It completely blocks your pain receptors so you don't feel a thing while it eats. So let's recap this tiny surgical heist. This insect is a legit pro. It's an insane, high-tech operation happening right on your skin. Wild, right?